In the fast-paced world of remote-controlled cars, Traxxas remains a leader in innovation, quality, and excitement. As we enter 2025, the brand continues to dominate the RC market with cutting-edge technology and an unwavering commitment to performance. Known for their durability, speed, and precision engineering, Traxxas RC cars deliver adrenaline-pumping fun for enthusiasts of all ages. In this video, we'll explore the best Traxxas RC cars of 2025, highlighting models that showcase the brand's excellence. From sleek on-road racers to rugged off-road machines, Traxxas offers a diverse lineup to satisfy every thrill-seeker. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or a newcomer to the RC world, there's a Traxxas model ready to fuel your passion for high-speed excitement. Join us as we dive into the latest innovations and uncover the top Traxxas vehicles that will take your driving experience to the next level. Traxxas Max Slash. The Traxxas Max Slash is a high-performance RC truck built for extreme off-road domination. Priced at $699, this powerhouse boasts 6 S-Power, pushing speeds beyond 70 miles per hour, making it a top contender for thrill-seekers. Designed for agility and strength, its low center of gravity and belted tires provide unmatched control and stability, even at top speeds. Engineered on the legendary Max platform, the Max Slash elevates durability to new heights. It is built to handle the demands of 6 S-Power, ensuring relentless, hard-hitting action across any terrain. The truck's belted tires minimize high-speed expansion, delivering a larger contact patch for exceptional grip and precision. Beyond its rugged durability, the Max Slash is loaded with premium features. A high-intensity LED light kit enhances visibility, while aluminum components, adjustable toe links, sway bars, and a clear body offer customization options for performance tuning. Every detail is designed for maximum efficiency and control, making it a must-have for RC enthusiasts. Whether you're tearing up the track or tackling tough terrain, the Traxxas Max Slash stands as the ultimate blend of speed, power, and durability. This RC truck isn't just built to perform, it's built to dominate. Traxxas Ford Fiesta ST Rally VXL. The Traxxas Ford Fiesta ST Rally VXL is a rally-inspired powerhouse designed to conquer the track and off-road terrain with ease. Priced at $430, this high-performance RC car is powered by the Velinion 3S brushless system, delivering rapid acceleration and extreme speed with precision control. Built for durability, the Rally VXL comes equipped with extreme heavy-duty upgrade parts, ensuring the drivetrain and suspension withstand the harshest conditions. From HD shock towers to reinforced steel wheel hubs, every component is crafted for long-lasting performance. Its innovative clipless body design allows for quick and secure access, making battery changes effortless. Additionally, a dual-profile rear wing enhances stability at high speeds, while oil-filled ultra-shocks provide smooth handling across varying terrains. Long travel suspension and hex hardware further reinforce its strength and adaptability. With a waterproof receiver box and high-current connectors, the Fiesta ST Rally VXL is built for all-weather performance. Its perfect weight distribution, high-torque digital servo, and heavy-duty slipper clutch ensure a thrilling yet controlled ride every time you hit the throttle. Whether you're navigating tight turns or launching off jumps, this RC car delivers an exhilarating rally experience. The Traxxas Limited Edition XRT Ultimate. The Traxxas Limited Edition XRT Ultimate is the pinnacle of RC truck engineering, priced at $1,499. Designed for unmatched durability and precision, this model features extensive aluminum upgrades across the suspension, chassis, drivetrain, and steering for enhanced high-speed stability and rugged performance. Equipped with a Traxxas Link wireless module, the XRT Ultimate allows users to access real-time telemetry data via the Traxxas Link app, monitor speed, RPM, and battery voltage while fine-tuning performance for an optimized driving experience. The XRT Ultimate's belted graphics tires provide superior traction on any terrain, ensuring responsive handling at any speed. A limited edition ProGraphics body adds exclusivity, while aluminum GTX shocks deliver ultra-smooth damping for optimal control. Factory-installed telemetry sensors, precision steering components, and a high-torque metal gear servo further enhance handling and power. With aluminum motor mounts and machined pinion and spur gears, the XRT Ultimate is built for superior durability and performance. This truck represents the gold standard in RC excellence. Traxxas Limited Edition X-Maxx Ultimate. The Traxxas Limited Edition X-Maxx Ultimate redefines RC truck performance, priced at $1,499. Featuring extensive aluminum upgrades in the suspension, Chassis, drivetrain, and steering, it delivers unparalleled strength and high-speed stability across the most challenging terrains. With the Traxxas Link wireless module, users can access onboard telemetry data, allowing for real-time monitoring and precision adjustments via the Traxxas Link app. The X-Maxx Ultimate's belted sledgehammer tires provide superior traction, ensuring smooth control even on rough or muddy surfaces. Built for extreme durability, this truck boasts precision steering components, a high-torque metal gear servo, and aluminum differential housings. Factory-installed telemetry sensors further enhance performance, making this model one of the most advanced RC trucks on the market. The X-Maxx Ultimate is more than just a truck. It's an RC masterpiece designed for those who demand the best in durability, control, and high-performance action. Traxxas XRT. The Traxxas XRT is a high-performance off-road RC truck priced at $999. Built for speed and agility, it features a low center of gravity, an ultra-wide stance, and a sleek, low-profile body, allowing it to reach speeds of over 60 miles per hour with confidence and control. Its all-metal 8S driveline, featuring steel 4-gear differentials and a high-strength extruded aluminum center shaft, ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. The race-inspired chassis design enhances stability, while dual 6704S batteries optimize weight distribution for peak performance. A patent-pending clipless body system enables quick and secure mounting, while external skids add extra protection. Equipped with Gravix race tires, the XRT delivers incredible traction on hard-packed surfaces, powered by the VXL 8S system for explosive acceleration and top-end speed. Additional features like a high downforce wing, an integrated wheelie bar, and waterproof electronics make the XRT a true off-road beast. With its modular chassis design, snap-lock battery retainers, and GTX race shocks, the XRT is engineered for extreme performance and durability, making it the ultimate choice for RC enthusiasts who crave adrenaline-fueled action.